In this video, I'm going to show you how to shoot RAW on your Samsung Galaxy device. RAW formats gives you more control over your photos, so you can edit them exactly the way you want. To enable it, just follow these steps. Open the camera app on your Samsung phone. Tap the More Modes icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on Export RAW. If it is your first time opening it, you need to install it first by clicking the Install button. Once Export RAW is enabled, you'll see a few new controls appear on the screen. You can use these controls to adjust the ISO, shutter speed, white balance, and focus. Once you're happy with your settings, tap the shutter button to take a photo. Your photo will be saved in a RAW format. Take note that RAW format takes up more space than JPEG format. RAW format can be difficult to edit, so it's a good idea to learn how to use a photo editing app before you start shooting RAW. If you're not sure what settings to use, you can always start with the default settings and adjust them as needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials.